50 too. And then this one, like 60.
I'm over my budget by 45 with this on there, so I got to take something out. Okay, let's see. Did you do this?
So it was...
Welcome to Thrift Flip. You know what they say, one person's trash is another person's cash. My name's Dontae. Join me on my ultimate quest as I hunt for rare vintage nostalgia. My goal is to document and show you my ups and downs, the experience of buying and selling, and seeing how a couple of bucks can turn into thousands of dollars a month, if you know what I'm saying. Come hit the racks with me and find out on Thrift Flip. Top of the morning. We're out here in Los Angeles, California, driving to the Silver Lake Flea Market, one of my favorite flea markets in Los Angeles. You know what they say, early bird gets the worm. We're not there right when it opens up, but I have a great feeling about today.
I've been going to the flea market almost every weekend for the past couple of months, and I'm just kind of disappointed that I'm not documenting this process because I'm coming up on a lot of stuff, and I just want to look back on this. Because a lot of these shirts, clothes that I find, they end up leaving my possession after a few days just because, you know, we're in the thrift flip. We are back today with another episode of Thrift Flip. That's right, it's a special edition. We're out here in Los Angeles, California, and we're gonna be heading over to the Silver Lake Flea Market, which is just right over there. Today I have a budget of $500. We're looking to restock items for our website. If you didn't know, my girlfriend and I, we run a vintage company called Threaded Grails. Link will be in the description, and use the promo code in the description to save some money on your order if you are looking for some fire vintage pieces. I got my bag with me that we're gonna be filling up. I did bring 3 tees with me. This is a pro tip. Bring some t-shirts with you that you might wanna trade with the vendors if you don't have the cash to spend. But again, my budget is $500. If I go over that, there has to be some type of consequence. Please excuse the way that my mouth is moving right now. I just got wisdom tooth surgery like 4 days ago. I'm thugging it out for you guys to make this content. Without further ado, you already know how it goes. Every last second spent is a moment that you could be missing out on a come up. Let's go. I ran over a whole can of turkey chili. Here's some quick tips for the flea market. Come as early as you can. Bring a bag with you so you can hold all of your products while you're looking. Start with the booths that aren't taxing and always negotiate. How much you asking on the shirt? $80. How's your morning so far? Hey, not too bad, man. I got up from here at the flea market. Or where you at on the selfie tab? $20.
I like how it's just like lovely.
Fade. Yeah, that's part. You got the nice back there.
The back.
How about that Raiders one?
This one right here? I'll take 40 on that one. It's a little beat, but very, very, very classic.
So you guys got an Instagram page?
Yeah, it's called Research Reserve.
Research Reserve. Make sure you guys give them a follow. They're hustling early in the morning. You got this price at 20, this one at 80, this one at 40, that's 140. If I buy all 3 of these, can we work out a deal?
Yeah, what do you want to do? How good of a deal do you want?
I don't want to lowball you guys. Should we even do a bill straight for all 3 of these?
No, I wouldn't. Yeah.
Okay.
Want to do 130? That's the best I can do.
130. Appreciate you working with me. What forms of payment do you guys take?
I love cash.
Okay.
But if you don't have cash, I do Venmo, Zelle.
Okay. Let's run Venmo if that's okay with you.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, if you're at the flea market, make sure you have multiple forms of payment set up. Cash is king always, right, at the flea market, but because of everything that went on last year, everyone doesn't really have, cash on hand. So have Zelle, PayPal. Usually they accept Cash App, not PayPal actually, Cash App and Zelle, and Venmo.
Yeah, dude, this piece right here is like
all 3 of them are amazing.
$200 shirt.
These all are really amazing. Easy riders. This happened. My account is actually frozen since last week of the flea market. I spent too much money at the flea market. So
You wanna do Zelle?
Yes.
You can use my number.
Moral of the story is, are you recording? Moral of the story is bring cash with you to the flea market. My Venmo account's frozen, so I gotta go to the ATM machine and get this guy some cash. Or I'm gonna ask my friend to see if he has cash.
So as it turns out, My friend wasn't at the flea market today. He's usually here every weekend. Oh well, guess I'm gonna have to find an ATM machine somewhere.
So while we're here at the flea market, an order actually ended up coming through on the web store, so thank you. Shout out to you if you ordered, I appreciate you. I need to find an ATM machine still. So far, I've spent, that guy's charging me $225 plus the order from earlier was what, $130? So $355. So we got 145 more to go. See what else we can find.
Any t-shirt on this rack is 10.
Cool, I was invited by your brother.
I like that.
Here's a pro tip. If you're contemplating on buying something, always check prices on various selling platforms. Just make sure you use the right apps and you're looking in the right areas. Personally, I love to use eBay.
Everything on this rack is $10?
Yes, everything. I don't care what it is, anything. I need it gone.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
How much are you on the Lakers shirt?
The Lakers I'm doing for $250.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's understandable.
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, I'm about to get a big haul of teas in. So everything that I have left over from last weekend, I'm just letting people cash me out.
You
Yeah.
really got it moving.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Claire.
Claire, I'm Dontae.
Dontae, nice to meet you.
Appreciate you. And then back to you.
You need a bag or are you
I'm
good?
just gonna toss it in here. Appreciate you. I like the design on this one. This one's dope. Has a couple flaws, but we'll see. Another cool one.
When you come out here, do you already know what you're looking for?
I have an idea what I'm looking for, like specific genres, and then it's really up to the flea market gods, you know? Sometimes you come up, sometimes you pay up, sometimes you get fair deals, sometimes you get amazing deals. Really just depends who you're dealing with. Yeah. What's up? Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. I've got some pieces, wanted to see if we can come to an understanding on. Yeah. I'll buy a couple pieces, can we work out a deal? Okay, yeah. See what the budget is looking like right now. I might have to get rid of some shirts on this one. We'll see what happens.
30s on these.
Okay.
So 60. Then these are 40 a piece, so 80.
Okay.
And then these are 50.
Okay.
50, 50, so 100. And then this one's like 60.
I'm over my budget by 45 with this
Yeah.
on there, so I gotta take something out. Okay, let's see. What's good with you, bro? Look at the pants. You made these yourself?
Nah, I got it from my homie Japan. Got some selvage LVCs with some custom Boro patchwork.
Nice.
Little 80s champion tee. Little custom Nike Sustain Summer, if you know the Michelangelo mural. My homie did a little check custom. Chrome necklace. Something light. Something light.
For these, could you do this?
So it was 300 minus the 60. It was 300 minus 60, right?
Yeah, so I just took 5 off of these two. If you could do these for 30 or for, it was 35.
That's cool. You can do that. Yeah,
Appreciate you. Appreciate you, bro.
Well, thank you, bro.
Good meeting you finally.
Nice meeting you. Here you go. Appreciate you.
You guys check this man out. He's got some heat. Appreciate you. Okay, so we said 225, yeah? 40, 60, 80, 100, 240, 60, 80, 140. Just 240. I'll give you an extra 5 just because you give me a good deal. No, I'll give you this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No, I appreciate you. You work with me, so I just give you an extra $5. You know?
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
What's
your name?
Dontae.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your weekend, okay?
You too.
I don't know if I can help you with anything.
Well, dude, that's it.
Oh yeah, what's up?
What's good with you, bro? How you doing?
Hanging out, man. Looking at these albums, texting the folks. Like the fuck too.
This is hard. This is dope. Rat and roll. You know what it is. You know what it is. I got my boy Sheen out here on the block. Fit check one time.
Yeah, it just had like some oil marks on it, so I fucking put a few badges on it.
Collar one
Yeah,
time.
you know.
Some white.
They just some dickies I found.
Rule number 1. Don't hog the blunt in the rotation.
Nah, you can't. You gotta pass it around. You know, guys share the love. You know.
Yes.
What you find in today?
A couple tees, a crew net, young B2K, IMX.
Classic B2K, guys.
This good, okay?
For sure. You always trying to see some stuff, man. Why you always trying to use your eyes, dog? Like, just give them a rest, bro. Like, just close your eyes, bro.
Yeah, no, I am selling these.
Yeah.
With
I
Ja
just
Rule,
that I have
you know,
Floyd.
Let's talk trades for this guy. What you looking for in the booth, man?
We gotta go by the booth.
Man,
I know you got some more stuff at home.
you know I do, but I don't know if it's for sale.
Oh, the rat is hard. I don't know too. Is that a band?
The band, they really only got like one good song, but I was asking like $250 on this.
Okay, no, that's just fire. I love the print on that one. All right, so we came to a deal. We're gonna do these two. We got the Raiders and the Wambo. This is extremely rare. I love this one. Both of these caught my eye the first time I came around here, so I'm glad we're able to make a trade. He's gonna throw 25 on top, so everyone wins at the end of the day. He gets a personal that he really loves, and we get 2 shirts cash.
Nice little Ja Rule, you know. Can never go wrong. I was actually just looking up Ja Rule, so I was like,
Ladies and gentlemen, that will complete this video. I think I went over my budget by $10, maybe at $5.10, but we're gonna go back to the crib and show you guys exactly what we got. All right, Sheen, you have a blessed weekend.
yeah, for sure. See you later, man. It was good seeing you, man. For sure, definitely.
Here you go, baby. I bought you some flowers.
Aww.
I know it's not a lot, but I just wanted to let you know I appreciate you filming me and coming with me today.
Thank you,
It
baby.
means a lot to me.
I love you.
Woo! Successful day at the flea market today, y'all. All of these pieces are going to be for our vintage company, Threaded Grails. I hand curate everything and select sizes, genres based off of what all of you guys like. And of course, what I love to collect as well. First off, 90s Oakland Raiders t-shirt on the College Concepts tag, size XL, single stitch, really dope t-shirt. You don't really come across a lot of Raiders merchandise that looks cool. That's cap. If you guys watch Looney Tunes, and you know Elmer Fudd has this weird accent where he talks like this, like he's from Boston or New York. So instead of Rambo, it's Wambo, because we're hunting rabbits. You got Bugs Bunny's ears there, really dope bootleg in pristine condition, size large on the black and red Screen Stars tag. That trade aside, that doesn't really count towards our budget. If anything, that gave us a little bit more money to work with. Okay, so that's all the stuff that we got from Vintage Ritz. Next one that we got right here, which was actually kind of like a spur in the moment. This is my homie Romeo. He runs a vintage shop called Mostly Vintage LA. He's a really dope photographer. You should definitely check out some of his work. Boom, got all of those for $45. 3 pieces for 45 bucks. Can't beat it. One of those will pay off. So, I'm going through the racks, and the first thing I always look for is the front of the shirt. If I don't see the front of the shirt and it has a back graphic, I always look at the tag. So, this tag right here in particular is a Brockham tag. It is synonymously known, it's synonymously known to have a lot of band t-shirts on it. Might be hit or might be a miss. In this case, this was a huge hit. Comment down below and let me know how much you think I got this shirt for right here. But I'm gonna tell you anyways. So this is a Green Day 1992, I believe. I was wrong. So this is a Green Day 1994 license to Brockham, right? This is the Eat Your Parents shirt. It's got the dope back hit, single stitch. I ended up getting this shirt for $35. And I'm here to tell you that this shirt is worth over $400. It's pretty insane to think that a t-shirt could go for that much. I've seen people list it for like $800, but I had a homie who recently sold it for $450, which I think is a really great deal because you don't see that Green Day shirt pop up. Okay. Okay, so all in all, we went $100 over budget, which to be fair, like we definitely made our money back off of this one shirt right here, which was like $400. This is Thrift Flip. Buy what you guys like and curate a brand that other people are gonna appreciate. Offer fair prices on all of your pieces that the marketplace has to offer for. So yes, were some of these pieces found for 25 cents somewhere in the bins or on a Goodwill's rack or at a garage sale? Absolutely, I'm sure they were. This shirt right here was, you know, a 25-cent t-shirt probably. She sold it for $10, and I might sell it for $50, and the next person might sell it for $100. So it's always a win-win process. This shirt was $35. I sold it for $400 because that's what the market puts it at, but it's also worth more than that. So that person who I sold it to is gonna cherish it and then possibly make some money off of it. And that's just the way that the world goes. There's trends that fade in and out, and you really just have to be ahead of the curve. So if you ask yourself, who would pay that much for X, Y, and Z? What is something that you paid for that was more than $100? And how do you justify paying for that? Let me know in the comment section. But it has to be some materialistic item, a TV, a gaming console, a video game that you paid for, furniture, handbags, shoes. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, drop a comment down below so we can continue this conversation. If you have any questions, I'll feel free to answer all of the questions that you guys drop down. If you're not already, consider subscribing to the channel today so you don't miss out on another video that I drop. Again, my name is Dontae Catlett. Follow me on my social media pages at Dontae Catlett on Instagram and TikTok for more content so you don't miss out on the gems. Because trust me, I'm always dropping gems. Appreciate your time. Until next time, I'm out.